Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of verification code on the application of REDnote. We click on settings like this. Here you will go to settings in this first page. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and you will enter here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us with